Are you having trouble with the health app not working properly on your iPhone? This can be frustrating, especially when you depend on it for tracking your fitness and health data. In this video, I'll show you effective solutions to resolve the issue and get your health app functioning as it should. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check Health App Permissions. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Tap on iCloud. Tap on Show All to see all apps using iCloud. Locate the Health app and make sure it's toggled on. If this is already turned on, then turn it off and turn it back on. Quickly after that, go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Health. Find the app you're trying to sync and tap on it. Ensure that all necessary toggles for health data access are enabled. After adjusting these settings, restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that Background App Refresh is turned on for either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll through the list of apps and ensure that the app is enabled for Background App Refresh. Solution 3. Offload the Health app. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap on General. Select iPhone Storage. Find the Health app in the list. Tap on the app and select Offload app to free up storage without losing app data. After offloading, reinstall the Health app if necessary. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open Settings, scroll down, and tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. Once updated, check if the Health app is functioning correctly. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset all settings. Confirm your choice. Note, this will reset Wi-Fi passwords and settings but won't erase your data. After the reset, check the Health app to see if it is now working properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with the Health app not working on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips.